Student, in this video I will start nutrition in plant. Nutrition in plant, we will study about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis, plant prepare their food in the form of glucose. Whole the process of photosynthesis completed in 3 steps. First step, solar energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll pigment present in the chloroplast. What is chloroplast? Chloroplast is a type of plastid. In second step, this solar energy is converted into chemical energy. With the help of this chemical energy, water molecules splits into hydrogen and oxygen. Here oxygen is byproduct which is reduced out. In third step, carbon dioxide reduced into glucose. In the second step, which hydrogen is released, it combined with carbon dioxide and form glucose. Whole steps of the photosynthesis completed in 2 reactions, light reactions. First is light reactions and second is dark reaction. First is light reaction. In light reaction, it is also called Hill reaction because it is discovered by Hill scientist, and it is also called light dependent reaction. It is occur in the granum part of the chloroplast. Third, light is necessary for this reaction. Fourth, the steps of photosynthesis is occur in light reaction is 2. First and second steps of the photosynthesis occur in this reaction. Dark reaction, it is also called Calvin reaction or light independent reaction. Second, it is occur in the stroma, liquid part of the chloroplast. Third, light is not necessary for this reaction. Fourth, third step of the photosynthesis in which carbon dioxide reduced into glucose is occur in dark reaction. Whole reaction of the photosynthesis is CO2 plus 12H2O equal to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Now we will understand about photosynthesis by the figure. Whole the process of photosynthesis occur in the leaf of the plant. First we see cross section of the leaf. When we take cross section of leaf, there are different figures we see under microscope. First is this is epidermis. This is called upper epidermis, and the lower portion, this is called lower epidermis. Above the epidermis, a thick layer is present which is called cuticle. Below the epidermis, a long cell is present which is called polysac cell. In this polysac cell, a small structure is present which is called chloroplast. It is called chloroplast. These structures are chloroplast. And below the polysac cell, circular cells are present. These cells are called spongy cells, and between the spongy cells, chloroplast is also present. And both type of cells, polysac cells and spongy cell, is collectively called mesophyll cell. Mesophyll tissue or photosynthetic tissue. In this tissue, whole photosynthesis process takes place because in these cells present chloroplast. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. Here photosynthesis occur. Now we see in lower epidermis a minute structure is present which is called stroma and which is surrounded by guard cells. In the spongy cells a space is present in which is called air space, and in this air space with the help of stroma carbon dioxide enters by atmosphere. Now we study about the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a site of photosynthesis. It is double membrane structure. One is outer membrane which is present outside of the chloroplast, and other is the inner membrane which is present inside of the chloroplast. Between the membrane a liquid like structure is present which is called stroma, and in this stroma disc shaped or coil shaped structure is present which are arranged one above the other and form a structure which is called granum. In each granum 10 to 20 thylakoid is present. This disc-like structure is called thylakoid, and this thylakoid membrane contains chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll is responsible for absorbing sunlight. And each granum are attached with each other by a thread-like structure which is called lamellae. In this stroma of the chloroplast, DNA is also present. So here in the thylakoid, each thylakoid perform the light reaction of the photosynthesis, and the stroma perform the dark reaction of the photosynthesis. About stomata, from which carbon dioxide enters into the leaf, which is necessary for photosynthesis. This is the structure of open stomata, which are open in daytime, and this is the structure of closed stomata, which closed in night time. The structure of stomata is this bean-shaped structure is called guard cell, and outside the guard cell, this structure is called subsidiary cell. Between the guard cell, chloroplast is present, and a small structure is present which is called nucleus. When water enters into the guard cell, a pressure is created of the wall of the guard cell, then stomata is open. From this open stomata, carbon dioxide enters into the leaf. This is the closed stomata. In night time, stomata closed, and hence carbon dioxide is not enters into the plant, into the leaf. So in night, plant not perform the photosynthesis.